Hi parents, today I'm going to review coding activity for kids. This is by Brushed by Me. It's the ultimate storehouse of all. It is amazing because it has a lot of brain boosting activities. Especially this is relating to coding. So the first one is for the ages 3 plus. Here it is a lot of coding activities involving animals, clothes, wild animals. Some of the coding activities is related to Christmas and kids love Santa Claus and Christmas tree and all the gingerbread. My favorite is the coding of a grid or a table. So children by age 3 plus should identify the vertical lines, which is called the column, and the horizontal line, which is called the rows, and identify the code of an object. The second is for 5 plus years. It has a lot of coding activities which is very interesting in the form of fruits and vegetables, in the form of vehicles, fruits. Kids love this. Third one is the advanced. It is for 7 plus years and the best part is all these are available with a marker. So usable. And of course, whenever there is a mistake, it's very easy to correct. Coding for kids. And this is the ultimate storehouse of all the brain boosting activities. Coding.